Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs and bacon. First, lay 6 slices of bacon in a cold pan, ensuring they do not overlap. Cook over medium heat, turning occasionally until crispy, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Remove the bacon and place it on a paper towel-lined plate to drain excess fat. Keep about 2 tablespoons of bacon fat in the pan for cooking the eggs, discarding any extra. Once your bacon is perfectly crispy, it's time for the eggs. While the pan is still warm with the reserved bacon fat, crack 2 large eggs directly into it. You can cook them sunny side up, over easy or scrambled, depending on your preference. For sunny side up, cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the whites are set and the yolk is still runny. Season with salt and pepper to taste. For over easy eggs, flip them gently after about 2 minutes and cook for another 30 seconds. If you prefer scrambled, whisk the eggs in a bowl first, then pour into the pan and stir continuously until cooked through. Once your eggs are ready, carefully transfer them to a plate with the crispy bacon. This classic breakfast is simple to make and always delicious, providing a satisfying start to your day. There you have it, a delicious and easy way to prepare eggs and bacon right in your kitchen. This meal is versatile and can be customized with your favorite seasonings or sides. Whether you're making breakfast for one or for the whole family, these steps will help you achieve perfect results every time. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your daily routine. Enjoy your fantastic breakfast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.